How to use Instagram filters on gallery videos. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application. It will lead you directly to your homepage. Now, all you have to do is to actually go to your story area. So all you have to do is to swipe left to right and it will lead you directly here. On the bottom part on the left side, you will see your gallery here. Just tap on that and choose the video that you want to use. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the upper part, you will see five different options there. There is a volume, text, sticker, and this filter. You can add a filter here. So let's say you want to use this. And as you can see, you have now successfully used an Instagram filter on your gallery, on your video from your gallery. Just tap on done. As you can see here, it is now done. And that is how you use Instagram filters on gallery videos. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.